For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Wearing a face mask and following the safety protocol is the need of the hour. It is a simple mantra. If you want to protect yourself from contracting the virus, then wear a face mask. From World Health Organization to all the state governments and experts, everyone are stressing on the importance of wearing a face mask. Some countries have even started to levy fines if people are found without face masks. With rules getting stringent, most of the people have now started to wear homemade face masks. However, wearing a mask that is contaminated beats the purpose of protecting you from infection. Here are some methods you can use to keep your masks clean and virus-free. Wash the mask thoroughly with soap and warm water. Water that is slightly warm, 30 degrees Celsius, is good enough. Rinse the mask well, leaving no trace of the detergent. Do not soak. Lightly press the mask to let the excess water drip. Leave it to dry outside in the sun. Allow it to remain in the sun for at least 5 hours or longer. If you do not have access to sunlight, place the mask in water in a pressure cooker and boil it for at least 10 minutes and leave it to dry. You can also add 3 tablespoons of salt to the water. In the absence of a pressure cooker, you may boil the cloth mask in hot water for 15 minutes. If you do not have access to a pressure cooker or boiling water, wash and clean the mask with soap and apply heat on the mask for up to 5 minutes. You may use an iron. The homemade masks should be washed at least once a day. It needs to be noted that surgical mask cannot withstand washing and it has to be thrown after single use. Some of these cleaning methods are harder on fabrics than others. Hot water breaks down fibers more quickly and the mask might get worn out and develop holes in it. If you're noticing holes in your mask, it's time to replace it. Wash your hands thoroughly before wearing a mask, and people can also use an alcohol-based drop. Face masks protect one from plausible infection. In a COVID-19 era, face masks have become an integral part of life. Face masks act as a barrier for potential infectious droplets.